Hey, it's Tax Quips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama wants to talk to you about common errors that people are making. Well, my friends, we have been answering hundreds of questions from taxpayers and tax professionals in the TaxMama forum. Oddly enough, people are upset with our answers. Why? Because they're asking questions after they have taken financial steps without first exploring the consequences, or they filed their returns without waiting for all the W-2s, 1099s, and so forth to arrive. Look, if you don't want to pay somebody for advice, even when your transactions involve over $100,000 or more of sales or distributions, that's your business. But at least ask TaxMama. We point you to useful information for free, and sometimes we even give you tips that would otherwise cost you thousands of dollars if you went to a tax professional for planning. Yeah, we really do. Here are some common issues that have been raised. I filed my tax return, then got another W-2 or 1099. Well, depending on how much income is missing, you can either amend or wait for the IRS CP 2000 assessment and then pay the balance due. Next, I was given the opportunity to take a distribution from my retirement account of, let's say, $50,000, went ahead and cashed it out. Now I owe thousands of dollars in taxes and penalties. How can I fix this? Well, you can't. The time to address this is before taking the distributions. You could have rolled it over to an IRA account with no taxes. You could have taken out some money as an annuity, or there are other options that might have given you some tax-free access to the cash, but only if you had asked before acting. My siblings and I inherited our parents' home and we sold it. All the money was distributed to each of us. How can we report this on our taxes? Well, you should have set up a decedent's estate, sold the house using the tax ID number of the estate, then it would have been simple to report the sale on the estate tax return, and never distribute all the money before the final tax returns are filed and the costs are paid. After all, the executor is responsible to make sure all of the tax returns are filed and that the taxes are paid. Another question. I'm divorced with a child who lives with me all year. My ex has already filed his tax return and claimed my child. What can I do? Well, discuss these things openly with your ex-spouse or whoever before tax season and sort these things out. Even when you have a legal right to claim your child, if somebody else files first, it can turn into a nasty tax battle, which can result in holding support for ransom or worse. Easily avoided through communication during the divorce process, and I have a course that can help you with that. There are many more questions that arise. Real life is much more bizarre than I could possibly make up. Maybe that's why there are so many reality shows on TV. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about taxes and business issues and enrolled agent tax education for free. Where else? At TaxMama.com.